Hello everyone, and thank you for taking the time to view this video today. My name is Simple Gray, and it is a pleasure to be able to present to you today. Now, for anyone who's been a part of the channel since the very beginning, you may notice that the content presented right here is a little bit different than what I've posted previously. But don't worry, I do believe this is the best direction for the channel. One of my true passions is creating content, particularly software, that helps other people genuinely. So that is the direction I have chosen to take this channel, and I hope you can stay along for the ride. Now, you may be wondering what's on the screen in front of you. Well, I've created a software specifically using Google Sheets called Money Tracker, and as the name suggests, it allows you to track all of your purchases and income if you choose on a day-to-day basis, month-to-month basis, whatever criteria of time you would like to use, just to give you a better idea of where your expenses and or income are coming and going. To start off, I would like to present to you or direct you to this little page down here where it has a little gear icon. We'll call this settings for now. Now, in settings, it's divided into 4 different sections. One for categories, which, as the name suggests, allows you to categorize all the different types of purchases to however you like. And of course, the information here is changeable to your heart's content. Then there's a months tab, which, again, as the name suggests, allows you to change the duration of time on this sheet right here to whatever your heart desires. Over here, you have the different types of accounts you can use towards particular transactions or purchases, whether it be cash through credit card. And as well, we have main options here, date through notes. And I'll get to the main options portion in a second. But you may be wondering, I have this table here where I have all the categories up here and all the dates of time down here. How do I add a new month? Do I just go here and add a new sheet? Not really. You go up here to custom, making it really simple, and then you click add month. What add month will do is it will look for the next iteration of time, in this instance months, and see which is the next month of time that hasn't been created yet. In this case, since this is a brand new sheet, it's called January. Now, from the main options that were defined over here, you will see that it has now created a header up here. And this can be changed to your liking as well. But this is the default for now, where we have some time of date, the category, account used, the merchant, which is just a text field, amount, which is currently formatted for US dollar currency, as well as notes. So if we go here, we can add a test transaction. So let's just say the first of the month, we had a rent payment from cash of the merchant, let's just call it PM for short, property manager, for the amount of $1,500 a month. And we can say January rent. And you'll see the content is a little mushed. Thankfully, Google Sheets has a nice little feature where if you double click the line on the right side of the letter of the column, it will automatically format it to make it fit justifiably. So now you'll see it's nice and flush with the first transaction of the first of the month with $1,500 as rent payment. But if we go over here, you may notice that that's weird. There is no $1,500 payment right here. How do we get the data that we declared in this sheet called January over to here? Now, that's a simple trick as well. We go under custom and we hit refresh. And because currently, at the time of this recording, the month is June, this may take some time, but if we hit refresh months, it will automatically go through all the transactions that are from January to May, since those are previous months, and add them accordingly to here. And as you see, the transaction that we created for rent of the first of the month has now been added as here. Now, there are other options that I've added for this particular money tracker as well, such as updating your categories up here and updating your months down here. We also have the ability to refresh the current month, which is June, like I said before at the time of this recording. We also have hide previous months. Because I want to keep this video short, I would not go into complete detail of all the functionality I have created for this particular Google spreadsheet, but I can always do those in a follow-up video. And if anyone has any questions about the software, I will always be looking at the comments down in the comment section below. As well, I will link this current spreadsheet in the description. That way you can always click on it, make copies for yourself, and then go from there to track your expenses, or in this case, financial transactions, easier and more efficiently. I believe that is it for this video. Currently, the version of this tracker is in a 1.01, which is a beta phase, and hopefully with the feedback of you guys, as well as overall bug fixes I find throughout the software and general improvements I would like to create for the software later down the line, we can have this be one of the most efficient free money trackers out there.